Hello everyone, I'm going to show you really quick here. My Violette de Bordeaux fig is ready. Not a lot of them, but some of them are ready. Look how dark they are. I'm going to pull one off right now. And let's take a look. One moment. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Let it refocus. Look at that. Let me taste. This is the first time I'm actually ever tasting it off my tree. No bugs. Always check for bugs with figs. Oh man. That tastes like honey raspberry put together and fig. That's delicious. And there's a lot more ready. There's some more over there. Delicious.